अब हम लोग पढ़ेंगे मस्कुलर डिजीज में बर्निंग सेंसेशन। बर्निंग कहाँ कहाँ पर है? टोटल एलेंस की नोट पर। Burning, itching, redness of the various part of ear, nose, hand, face, hands and feet. Part red and swollen, hot. That is agaricus. Burning round spot on vertex. Calcarea and sulfur. In cold spot is sepia and verulinum. Burning of hand and feet wants them to uncovered and fanned. Lacasin and sulfur. Meridinum. Wants to be fanned. हमेशा पंखा की हवा चाहिए. Lacasis और सल्फर में. Lacasis को पंखा थोड़ा दूर से चाहिए. Heat and burning of soles of feet and palms of hand. Sanguinary and sulfur. Petroleum is chilly patient. Burning and tingling from the perineum through whole urethra. That is petroselinum. Phosphorus का burning कहाँ पर होगा? Burning in spot along the spine between the scapula. Scapula के बीच में edge of a piece of ice. बर्फ जैसा ठंडा is lacasis. Of intense heat running up to back. Running up to पूरा बैक, palm और hands, in chest and lungs, on every organ or tissue of the body. Arsenic and sulfur is also with you. Generally in the disease of nervous system, that is phosphorus. Picric acid, it is also very good medicine for the burning. Burning along spine, great weakness of spine and back, softening of cord. Phosphorus and zinc is also with you. That is in picric acid में क्या होगा? पूरा burning of along पूरे spine में burning होता है. That is picric acid. Burning in all part of the body is spark of fire will falling on the patient. ऐसा मालूम पड़ेगा अंगारे हमारे ऊपर फेंका जा रहा है, इतना जोर से चिंगारी निकल के हमारे शरीर पे गिर रहा है. That is the sequelae core का burning है. सारा बर्निंग को अलग अलग से पहचानना पड़ेगा. थैंक यू.
We are providing 6 months practical clinical training for BHMS graduates, and that will actually help you to become a good practitioner. So you're welcome to join. Thank you.